My daughter was in a one-car accident and was a backseat passenger when the driver flipped the car. Her hospital bill is $35,000, but no one is offering to pay it. Do we need a lawyer? And that's from Christine. Lance?
And the answer, Christine, is yes. You know, with $35,000 hospital bill, that's enough to bankrupt a lot of folks. And the fact that you're not already receiving calls is a prime indicator that there's probably some issue. Maybe there's too many claims competing for a limited pot of funds. Maybe there's not enough insurance money to go around. But there's a lot of things an attorney can assist you with to make sure that that bill gets paid, and in addition to that, that she gets the compensation she deserves for the other aspects of her damages. You know, the medical bills are an immediate need, but there's also money available potentially to compensate her for, you know, if she's missing any time from work, or if she's having any pain and suffering and things of that nature. The attorney can make sure that all benefits that are available, including benefits that may be available from the driver's policy, which would be liability benefits, because it sounds like, you know, with one car accident, it sounds like the driver probably did something that they shouldn't have, and that's what led to the crash. And that would be the first source of benefits to pay for, you know, after the no-fault benefits that we're always talking about here in Florida on your own personal policy, the personal injury protection benefits. That's going to pay for a portion of that $35,000 hospital bill, but it's not going to cover all of it. You know, in Florida, most of the time, those no-fault benefits are capped at $10,000, and then you would have to be looking at the driver of the other vehicle to see if they have liability insurance to cover the remainder of that bill. If not, then we would turn around and look to see if maybe on your own policy or a policy in your household, there might be some uninsured motorist benefits that would help to the extent that the driver didn't have enough insurance coverage. One thing we commonly see in this type of situation, it doesn't say, you don't mention how old your daughter is, but a lot of times we have a car full of teenagers who get in a crash like this, and we've got a situation which is what we call multiple competing claims, which is where, you know, there's 4 or 5 injured people in an insurance policy that maybe it only provides $10,000 per person in benefits, or $20,000 per occurrence for the whole crash and everybody that's got a claim there. And that's something that can put everybody into a position where, you know, you got to make decisions about how it gets divided up, try to do something equitable. That's something that Les used to do a lot. Well, he does now, as well as in his past life when he was a defense attorney, resolving those types of things for insurance companies. And he probably elaborate on that and how those claims are handled a little more than I could, but that's certainly one of the concerns I would always have if it's with the type of facts we're dealing with in your email question. But absolutely, you need to call a lawyer.